Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
And in this particular pre-monsoon season, it's quite natural that the rainfall will be accompanied with thunder shower, that means lightning and thunder. So based on particular weather features enhancement, the activity of lightning and thunder will be slightly higher. So that is what we are expecting for these 3 days starting from today, 12th of April. We are expecting that the rain will be accompanied with lightning and thunder on 12th, 13th and 14th. Maybe on 13th and 14th, the rainfall distribution will be slightly higher than on 12th, and lightning and thunder also is expected. It is requested that people who are working in open fields or open areas should be taking precautions once this thunder shower activity takes place. And people, please be regularly updated with the warnings and nowcast issued by IMD so that they can take necessary precautions. Warning for isolated thunder shower activity accompanied with lightning over North Goa and South Goa districts on 12th, 13th and 14th of April, and we are expecting rainfall activity to continue over Goa up to around 14th or 15th of April.